Hello everyone. In the last video lecture, we learned how to introduce yourself in an interview. Now in this lecture, I will discuss some interview tips with you, which will be beneficial for you in any interview. Friends, interview is an essential part of any job. But there is a fear or some wrong thoughts fixed in our mind regarding interview. In this lecture, we will clear all the doubts and fear regarding interview with some tips. First, we will understand what what is an interview? Friends, interview is an object-oriented communication between two or more persons. And you know, communication can make or break your career. And the object of this communication means the object of an interview is to know your personality, confidence, presence of mind, sharpness of mind, boldness, firmness, politeness, depth of knowledge, and grasping power. Now, we will discuss some tips about the interview. First, prepare your resume or CV, means prepare your own CV, don't copy from others. In interview, some questions are asked regarding your CV, so study it properly and don't copy the CV of another candidate because his hobbies and attitude may be different, and if a question will be asked on that, then you cannot answer it confidently. So make your own CV without copy and don't exaggerate about your habits and hobbies, means write the real or actual hobbies and habits there so that you will answer their questions confidently. Now the next is regarding dress code. For an interview, use formal dress. The color of it should not be dark. Make shirt in and use belt. Don't fold your sleeves. Use formal polished shoes, and if you are comfortable with tie, use it. And if you are not comfortable with tie, then there is no need of using it. Now the next tip is carry your all original documents with two or more sets of attested Xerox copies. Here many students don't carry all original documents or Xerox sets, and if these are demanded there, then they get confused and can't give satisfactory answers regarding it. So to avoid it, it is simple to carry all original documents with particular sequence. Now the next is reach before minimum 1 hour of given time to an interview venue. If you reach before time, you can observe some activities there, can talk with another candidate and be relaxed and confident. But if you reach on time or late, then hurry and worry can make your poor show. So simply reach before minimum 1 hour of given time. Next is do not enter in interview hall without permission. Greet everyone. Do not sit in chair before their order. Here, many times, deliberately interviewer don't pay attention to you when you are standing at the door and asking permission. They check your patience, and here many students make mistake to enter without their permission in interview hall. Here, if you are standing at the door asking permission and they are not giving any attention to you, then wait a minute. Still they are not looking at you, they knock the door and ask permission. Say, may I come in, sir? Don't say, can I come in, sir? And if they say, come in, then only enter. After your entry, keep one thing in your mind, that first impression is the best impression. So be smile, be confident, and greet everyone seated there. Then don't sit in the chair before they tell you to sit, and when they will tell you to sit, say thank you to them. Now the next is that do not give wrong or fake answers. Means in interview some questions are asked and it is not expected that you will give the answer of 100% questions. So if you don't know the answer of one or two questions, don't lose your confidence or don't try to tell wrong or fake answers. Simply say sorry sir. It will show your honesty, and keep one thing in mind again, that don't give referenceless answers, means try to answer which is the need of the question. The next is be firm on your answer if it is 100% correct or if you are sure. Many times you give correct answers to the questions asked by interviewer, but to check your confidence, they may cross questioning to you. At that time, you must be firm on your opinion or answer if these are 100% correct. Now the next is that develop English communication skill. You will face an interview that may be of national or international firm or national or international level company or organization, and it is also possible that the interviewer don't know your mother tongue. At that time or nationally 90% interviews are conducted in English. So you must have to develop listening, speaking, reading and writing skill of English so that you can express your knowledge confidently. You and your friends are facing I am now giving you one example. If you and your friends are facing interview, you have more knowledge than him, but you can't express that knowledge in English properly. It will create a communication gap between you and the interviewer, and so your chances of selection will be minimized in comparison with your friend. So it will be better to develop your English. Personally, I have observed that many students are not comfortable with English, so they lost many job opportunities. Now, don't forget to thank interviewer finally. When the interview will be over and you are going to wake up from chair, thank everyone in interview panel. Now to sum up, we have learned in this video lecture some interview tips and how to implement those in an interview. Hope you will implement all these things in interview to make it successful. In next lecture, we will discuss about the presentation skill. Till then, goodbye.